So Bennett, what is the 10-step challenge?
So our 10-step challenge is a 90-day program that we offer for free to anyone who likes to join. You'll go through a 10-step process that we educate you from the absolute basics of how to create a watch list, what broker you should use, how to scan and find your first bull flag, how to form your game plan. And as you progress through these programs, these lessons get a little bit more difficult. By the end of this program, you will have done a financial plan. You will have created your own business plan for the year ahead. We'll go over your 401k. We're going to go over your IRAs. We will go over if you have children, your 529 or your TMA accounts. All of this we're going to go through these next 90 days. During these 90 days, you will not be trading a single share. You will not be investing. You will not be trading. You will be doing none of that. You will be simply just learning and educating yourself first. So that even if you were to leave us on day 89 or day 90 or day 100, you'll have enough knowledge to trade on your own and be proficient. From there, it's up to you if you want to continue with us and trade with us in our alpha chat. I know that's obviously up to you, but again, during that 90-day period, there's no cost. We will proactively check in on you once a month to remind you that, again, you're 30 days in, you have 2 months to go, you're at the halfway point, and when the trial is about to end, we'll remind you about a week early. So you have nothing to worry about. We're not here to try to get you to sign up where you can't quit. Anytime you want to quit, you simply email us saying you want to stop at the step you're on, we remove you, and you'll never get billed. If you do get billed, we'll refund you 200% if you didn't learn anything during that trial. So we've done this to make this as easy as possible and most beneficial for you, to help educate you. And eventually the main goal for us is to get more proficient traders in our group so we can all trade and find the best opportunities to invest in the market. So that's our 10-step challenge. Again, if you have any questions, just let us know and we'll help you out.